everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Happy Thanksgiving to all my Canadian friends out there. Happy Thanksgiving to my Canadian subscribers. It's a beautiful day. It's rainy and wet where I am, but it's still wonderful. And I just hope that you are having fun and really celebrating the Thanksgiving with your family beautifully. So thanks again for tuning in. Please stay with me till the end of this video. I will try my very best to make this video short and simple. I really just have some exciting news to share with you. There is so much going on in the background, so I apologize if you hear loud noises. I just wanted to finish this recording because tonight is going to be busy and tomorrow as well is going to be a very busy day. So let's do this. First, good news. Natalie of Line That Arrow invited me to be part of her design team. And of course I said yes because Natalie is one of my favorite artists and I have been a guest design team member for Line That Arrow a few times now. And I have really enjoyed working with her beautiful kit. And this time, the invitation is for a permanent design team member, which is awesome, and I am very humbled. So yes, I will be creating projects using Natalie's kits, and that would mean I need to be more diligent and more consistent in my projects. So that's gonna happen because I have a commitment now, and that will mean you will see me more often now. So I hope that that's good news to some of you or to most of you, and I am actually very excited. In fact, I will be starting my new project this month for Natalie, and this is her most recent kit, which is called Autumn Arrived. This is fabulous. All the images are just really beautiful. I mean, I love all her works, and this could be one of my favorites now. And what I'm thinking of is to create a folio instead of a junk journal using this kit. It's fabulous. The images I love. So yeah, that is my goal, to make a folio out of this. And if I have to make a junk journal, it will be probably just one signature journal or a small, simple junk journal. But the folio, for sure, that is happening this month. This kit, Autumn Arrive, has been showcased in Natalie's channel, Line That Arrow. And if you missed that, I hope that you pop over to her channel to watch because she did a fabulous video over there. And you will fall in love with this kit. It's so wonderful. Also, Natalie is offering a discount in her Etsy shop. This is now at 20% off, I believe. And all of her, or maybe some of her autumn digital kits are also on sale. I believe she even has 50% off in her shop, so please do visit her Etsy shop. I will provide her link down below. I love the color tone in this kit. Very consistent brown, and it's just beautiful. Now, this can even make a junk journal for men. So yeah, that's a great idea, eh? Okay. So the second exciting news is that Mandy of Sunflowers Endorse created a wonderful kit called Days Gone By, and I was supposed to be her design team member, guest design team member for the month of September, but I was not able to make it because September was just crazy busy for me. I was swamped with other projects, and Mandy has been very understanding and very patient with me, and I promised her that this month I will produce a project using Days Gone By. So that's the exciting news, is that I will come up with another project, probably a journal using Days Gone By digital kits, and that would be fabulous, hopefully. So these are the pages from her kit. I love everything. I love everything vintage, and it's actually one of my favorite styles. Of course, I like the bohemian. That's actually my favorite. And then shabby chic as well. And vintage is one of my favorites. So yes, I will make a junk journal using Days Gone By. So I hope that you stay tuned. And I also have a commitment to Mandy that the project will be out before the end of this month. So that is for sure happening. And I hope that you can check her out. Again, it's Days Gone By, and I will provide her link down below as well. The third exciting news is that finally I finished my very first complete Christmas digital kit. Yes, it is complete and it is huge, 59 pages. So 29 junk journal pages, and then the rest are for tags, pockets, ephemera, sentiments. And so this is huge. I hope that you will like this digital kit as well. Again, I hope that you can provide feedback, and please be kind because this is my very first complete kit. I've had several in my shop, junk journal pages only or tags, some affirmations, digital kit, but those are just a few pages. Now this time, this is huge. So I would love to hear your feedback, but I hope that you can be gentle and kind as well. And I would love for you to support me on this one too. The color tone or the color scheme that I used in this kit is not the traditional bright red and green colors. The colors are pastel, cool, soft colors, but the images are, of course, very Christmassy. So from lanterns to nativity, I've had here bubbles, Rudolph, Santa Claus, Christmas tree, Christmas gifts, everything pertaining to Christmas, you will find it here. And I am really very happy that this is now done. It has been very challenging but fun. And this kit will be in my Etsy shop as well. And because I am just launching this, it will be at 25% off. So my kits are also affordable. I hope that you can check it out at 25%. With 59 pages, you can create beautiful projects using this. So this kit is called All Is Calm. So I call it All Is Calm Christmas Digital Kit. And again, it is now in my Etsy shop. So I hope that you check this out. 59 beautiful pages. You can create Christmas journals, Christmas cards, anything paper related. You can do that, I'm pretty sure. So thank you so much, everyone. But that is not all, because I already started creating a project using this kit, and I finished a signature. My goal is to make a Christmas junk journal as a giveaway. I want my junk journal to have 2 signatures, and right now I finished the first signature. So here it is, and it already has some embellishments. It has tucks and pockets. I actually show this in my Instagram account. It's very brief, so that was just in my reel. If you would like to check that, it's at Nelda's Crafts Instagram account. And I will create another signature because the giveaway junk journal will have 2 signatures. So I hope that you can support me on this event again. And like any other giveaway events, the first thing that you need to do is to be a subscriber. So if you would like to win a Christmas junk journal with 2 signatures, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And once my Christmas junk journal is done, then I will announce the giveaway. So please stay tuned and please continue to support my work and my channel. So that is it for now. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you so much for listening, and happy Thanksgiving again. Please know that I appreciate you with all my heart. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.